How can I see me? Say RIP to Sharon Okpamen. It's painful. I can't let no more. No more than I can afford. Yes, I know why. Everyone get your die. Baby, that could not be given. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Sharon don't know. She don't know. Yes, it's so. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? To have to think about it. But shall never be here. Why in your and look at the Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Sharon don't go. Yes, she don't know. Let me so. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? You want to do like say, you get this and you don't pass. You gotta do like say, I'm ayemiomo, I get there. Who have salon? What the hell said your way? I never let you win ya. Who you want to do, man? Who will you want? Gagmo, Society. Sharon Okpamen, my beautiful sister. May your soul rest in perfect peace. God, you live me, I already know. Sometimes Sharon Okpamen, she don't know. Sharon don't go, yes, she don't know. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon?
Please share this video.
How can I see me? Say RIP to Sharon Okpamen. It's painful. I can't let no more. No more than I can afford. Yes, I know why. Everyone get your die. Baby, that could not be given. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Sharon don't know. Yes, she don't know. Yes, it's so. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? Why? Why so soon? You want to do like say, you can listen.
Please share this video, guys. Share this video. New latest update about Sharon's corpse. Share this video. Let me hear what and listen.
Sharon Okpamen, my beautiful sister, may your soul rest in perfect peace.
Are you guys just looking at me? I say share the video. Wahala video na get why. It's very important. This particular one, we're gonna share. Now don't say we're not sharing. We'll continue. Because no, I don't want to few people. I want to many people. Maybe for listen. Maybe for the get sense.
How to send money from Europe to Nigeria online. Try Profit. Check out the beneficial currency exchange.
They give an arrow give some arrow at you. Una give an arrow at you. But they play this kind of music, you know, they write arrow at you to Sharon Okpamen.
I'm away,
All my people, I greet you all with better saltandwater right here. I must greet you all. Everyone of you, please share this video. It's very important so that you guys know the next step and the latest updates about Sharon's cough. Sharon dead body. You understand? Make una know. May her gentle soul rest in peace. It don't come. So definitely, I've told you guys start number on this issue of Sharon. I'll be giving you guys all the updates about Sharon, where it don't reach and where it could still reach and how it is set. You understand? So I want that's why I'll see me call up and follow me so that I always carry my along on what thing they happen. You understand me now? This will not be say then say. Now reality, don't be able to people for video call or for live video. But the major part of it all will be say the whole world want to hear. I go to break them out as in the hot when they hear them. Yesterday I came out I came on the update say Sharon don't leave Italy, not the Italy again. Yesterday they fly on. So the major plan was if once Sharon reach Lagos, they go push Sharon for hospital for Lagos till tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning, they'll fly Sharon to Benin. And that was the reason why yesterday will come out I came out and I say make everybody go wait for Sharon for airports. But the breaking news of it all now we see Sharon already did Benin now as we speak. Sharon already reached Benin. As we speak now, Sharon is lying down in DION Hospital for Airport Road. Sharon already did DION Hospital for Airport Road. Now, and I will explain why the plan changed. You understand? The plan from Italy here, see Sharon will land Lagos. Then he go chill for Lagos, for hospital for Lagos. Then they go move on from there early morning. Go enter first flight early morning. Tomorrow, they Benin Airport by 7. For go to the Benin, because of the ticket now by 7 o'clock. Now Sharon's go to the Benin Airport. So maybe before they go carry do everything for each other kind 8, they don't do outside. You understand? But yesterday, Sharon landed Lagos. When I share this video, it's gonna be when I share, especially for the AHAM Members Association, when I share this video to them. Respect to you guys. You understand? All AHAM Members Association, respect to you guys. Please guys, listen and listen very careful to the update. I'm going to be giving you guys the update the way the thing be straight and direct. Sharon landed Lagos yesterday, and the hospital where they booked for Sharon, as they reach there, NEPA take lights. Hospital so they not get lights to take cheese Sharon. So they're not gonna figure push Sharon for where light not the make the cell decay. About the next thing, then they take ambulance. The next available ambulance, no matter what anything it will cost. And then move on straight to Benin. Straight down to Benin, march down. So Sharon already did Benin now. As me, I'm not talk now. I don't reach Benin. He did for DION Hospital for Airport Road. Now Sharon did now they chill. You understand? Now, for those people, Edo actors, actress, entertainment, we're supposed to go wait for airport tomorrow. Then we no verse. Sharon already did Benin now. No need of the airport again. You understand? No need we go to the airport. We're not going to wait for airport again. It already reached Benin. And now we are waiting for the family to bring out the deeds when they want to bury Sharon. Now what happened? I still explained to her yesterday, briefed to her yesterday. Sharon's late father was not buried according to custom and tradition. Now, before you go bury in daughter, she have to be buried properly before they bury in own daughter. So the daughter have to be chilling in mortuary first. Then when the family do the necessary things for their late brother. Then before bringing out the dates and the poster when they want to bury Sharon. So please, my lovely Edo people, I'm going to use Edo, Benin, analyze them. My lovely Edo and no Edo people who love Sharon so much. Nollywood. All of now, and I hear that's why they use English. People for the here for those of now who want day there that day. So Sharon now don't already Benin. He don't already hospital already for Benin now. So it's not like on the family. Anytime the family bring dates come out when they want to bring Sharon out of the month for the mortuary now to go bury. I will also come here, bring the poster, and now Sam. Then everybody will march there. So please, please wanna share this video. I just got beg now. Wanna share this video. This one not be for saga. This one thing we say everybody they want here and everybody they wait for. All the those they wait for. Yesterday I say Sharon, once Sharon reach Benin, it go turn to our celebrity own. Now Sharon already Benin right now as we talk now. It already dey Benin. It don't dey what they call our senior man, DION hospital for Airport Road. Sharon already dey ready. Normal. The family now they wait for. Now, if they don't do the papa will finish, then they will bring the dates of Sharon or when they want to do Sharon on. I will also come out and break the news and bring the dates come out, tell them what is the next thing to do and where they want to bury Sharon, put everything to be prepared well. Because I promise you now for this platform, say you look, this woman will buy so in your own death not go be like another person own. Not be those celebrities will go buy, they not go know where they bury and put. When they hear me, when I hear me clear. Now me stand for inside this one. I may use hand hit chest say this one will be like other Benin celebrity. We after they don't buy, they don't go feel know where they bury they put, they don't go feel they give the flower. This one will be like that. This one will be buried well and well covered. It will be weird to say they go know. Children will feel they come to see and when they grow up. So please guys, for those people, those AHA members, celebrities, actors and actresses, musicians, I come in from the community yesterday, Upper community, Ogida community, Ogida musicians, Upper musicians, who supposed to be there, supposed to take airport tomorrow morning. They wait for Sharon. Please, the plan don't change. Definitely, they will print poster self. Like tomorrow morning of the airport, now move Sharon from airport straight down to the hospital. We're going to go Bama put. You understand? That was the plan yesterday. So now waiting for SOP tomorrow. Now waiting for SOP tomorrow for airports. So but now, as the hospital they want to push Sharon for Lagos, they not get lights. As in Nigerians, you understand? They don't get lights. They take lights. So they have to move Sharon immediately with an ambulance. It was not like a flight again. It was not ambulance. Straight down to Benin. You understand? So now they can go Bama this morning now. It already did chill for a DION hospital. So no need to wait when I will go airport tomorrow again. Please bloggers, we can cut this video, we can share it. If you like move the music, but this particular speech where they give so, we can blog them, we can share it. So I'm gonna tag many of these celebrities, many of these actors, actresses, musicians, so that they go first share this video. Other go still know the latest update about Sharon Okpamen. You understand? So I use God beguna and then wanna take out. Not the story now. Wanna take out. So please guys, join us and every update about Sharon. I will always give now to don't play. How they will say put up everything. You guys are going to be aware and I'll carry them along. So follow me. Make the year updates. The button, change the put up for grand, use some convert. Now so this matter will be because for all this while she is not yet buried. It's not many people they say they not bury, they never bury Sharon. Sharon never bury her. Sharon don't Benin now. You know the Italy again. She don't already come for Italy. She's already Benin now. Don't the father's land. You understand? So wa to wa pe ibi do nzomo wa mu se wa o ebi na gbom wa gbe wa to ya yi wa on go na me no nwenwa o ko wa ya gbe no ya mi agbaja avana hu dogo otima no ye gbe no pari awa ge Sharon Okpamen eno se o ya me mu ja ka ku gba ya tawe kemi no ye gbe kan gbe no kan san no ge Sharon ya be da ya do na ma wa bi me kan ye be do kan ye the next thing to follow. So no there. I'm went by here Italy. are there in Nigeria, which is already cool there now. So the young Mexico, Nason, and the fanati where all student book ye na ate mo you know carry betting the back me where we na I really like a flights or land there Benin airport. So or ya like the work ni ye do no more reach on ma. I walk back you. I will not money cook with quarry na ladian na die Benin airport we na back way. So ogiana nia ili mguwa gona nia e Sharon nia oro edodo bajine o waro no ba igbilejo hospital airport road Sharon mi agbada le wa ore wa ne already. You understand? I have to my hospital ne bani right now ni bona. Was here na agir no kina do feel with the plan to change. Agi mo seko ana fan to hospital na book yi ko na to na ka betine ene pa na do pin an wa ne Nigeria ye iya ma amokpa hospital ma amokpa. So right now I hear to see you be that we are the end of the day or this one or the day for or do I send you bo. So and the bogadi for and hear it flies. So opportunity now okay no what no dey what go blast not what you do. No why you again. So I have go blast ya blast and I you know be and what you yo na what you hunda do. You know the idea man no I don't know here at hospital there. I will be legion no matter what. I am marched down. I mean you have to do as here and do my agenda do we na. So and now we know then if not see it because first you know the year we my money well. You can't where everything will go on about Ikinegbe Sharon. Akine all lakpa. You know the year have vo ma wa. We make it na we no ya lakpa we me ya denu do na here. Now no ri keyinia okay you begbe nda we nkata oto adina we ara wu egba we agbe o si awe agbe eyan awe agbe egbe awe agbe le ba se wa omo hanu no wa. So egbe Sharon egbo Okpamen ira nwa bi Sharon Naijawatch ikia ira no bokpari awa ebi e kana yegege. So awe na uniru ipe agbasa na kweko nda wo bi do ma ya nu amo konya kosi ira adinya na kodu hunura kafia. So irania amawe ni gbe zebina we do ana woke egege na ka wo gira otori ala hi gira otori da gbegbe na o na ya we do emi no keke na unegbe agi dovie na egbe ya we ai kemie we ari edeyo na ya mu e Sharon la dianwe hospital aya we ni gbe Sharon. So onyo is do boy gogo yina na mi we Sharon ya o ye ketin o wisi egbe oge Gbiledio hospital airport road. So I will not carry a yo na mi egbe awo gira yotori we na wa ya wo gira yotori egbe ari ege yo na mi ya wo ge o ye ge Sharon. So ya we do ya we ma wa ya do ya we ma gbon wo we segeni ni we na mi ya wo ge Sharon he. So no wala ho iye do ro wa we nu wa ya mudia gege the way akwe wa ya ti wa re airport ni wo ave de bonus self mo le bote pretend e banani ya sikale moto le na ya su ari ke na na ya moye o wishi egbe. So kun pa no oni yan ri gba because Sharon de o wa yo boy so wa ni o ro wishi egbe no ready munda we hospital de ko or fuck up. You know what you are I think this is going to be a massive hold up. You see why you say portrait. Here. So, but unfortunately, every night able we man propose God's dispose. So no wala ho, why you we call? Why you nyamia of the second the na we be bopo na we bubu gina do akwe. The na ye do o ga be say ya you ladian do you know ya we magbon ya we yin wa nwala ho kenati o wa na ti o ha o ma ro tin kanaba o ma ti ama wa no yo boy hesan o na ti do ma ti I will not tell na if you do you with you yes wa ya wa mi agbada o si e na si agbada no ta we wa ya la ho wa mi agbada le Sharon we no be yewe ni na anything no be here any update any latest update no go on Believe me or not, I will be always giving you guys the way to be straight down. Yeah, we do our kill the man here down the hall. Now yeah, we water. Thank you all for your listening. Please guys share this video so that everybody out there experiencing Benin, they will understand what is going on and the latest updates about Sharon's cough. I want to say a very big thanks to every one of you guys and for all those that support this account of Sharon being taken home. I appreciate those guys. And I'm the most happiest man today. You know the reason why? I brought an idea and it comes to pass. And I'm so happy for that. Don't be saying I make get money pass or I make get big platform pass or I make talk pass. Now God grace. You understand? So I bring out the ideas. Okay, I'm going to raise fund for this woman who to take and go house. And really, it comes to pass. You understand? So today, shout out their house. So happy for that. And a very big thanks to every one of you guys, all my fans, my lovers, my followers, who they support me and who they support this race. May God bless you guys. God richly bless you guys. For those of you who donate for the good funding to assist the children of Sharon, may God bless all of you. I say a very big thanks to you. And one thing is sure, one thing is known. Please, I want to beg all the those put home and abroad. Anything where you give Sharon children, you never start. Yes, you never start. And we never start. Not only you, we never start. Any donation we will donate for Sharon children, we never start. No, know why? These children is just a month old. The last one is just a month old. A month and 2 years. So get on my say, we get a lot to give to these children. We get a lot of support to see do for these children. Don't be say we don't bury mama finish. Their mama finish. We'll come and bother the mother. No. By the special grace of God, anything that goes on with the children, any update about the children, I'm going to be enlightening you guys. I need to get the pass. You understand? So please, if you love Sharon, you have anything to support the children, both here or there, please don't hesitate. If you can't get the mother, don't hesitate to reach me. Once you reach me, you can reach up to the mother. Please, I beg all of you now. And some people say that we feel the bad papas. You understand? If you get away with the bad papas, give the children. You need the mother's account for Italy here, not for Nigeria. Anything we want to do for the children now for Italy here. Get in contact with me so that I will figure you the mama account. You understand? The mother's account where I will figure assist the children. After the burial, I don't bury this our sister. Because we need to continue to assist those children. Because the mother now, at her age now, she just become a nursing mother. She cannot walk again now as it is before. You understand? It just be like she is just like a single mother now. When no get husband, they take care of 2 children. It be like a woman with born twins. It be like a woman with born twins. So I use God beg you now. May God bless all of you now. The one that support those children, support the woman. May God bless you now. Both way they go to visit her, they go to console her. Even upon us, they take care of the children. May God bless you now. And may God still give that woman strength to take care of those children. May the plan of the enemy towards those children, towards the mother, may their plan never come to pass. And I want to also beg you guys, pastors, prophets, and prophetess, I beg they will not see continue to pray for that woman and those children. Because that woman and those children, they need our prayer, even more than money. Yes. More than money. I beg when I continue to pray for that woman. Because the plans of the enemy towards Sharon's life was too big. That girl, this girl is not by ordinarily. Not be out. See, the plan was too much, it was too massive. Yes, sir. So if they could succeed, take it Sharon. Let them not succeed about the family anymore. So please, you guys should try. For those of you who are prophets and prophetess, I beg you that they help for prayer. For those who they put there for prayer. The one that they put me for prayer. One that they put there for prayer. I believe my fans. The one that they put me for prayer, when they pray for me. You understand? I don't know where I must have a key. I see by ye. Oh, that's a million, that's a million. I beg you that they assist them in all ramification of life. You understand? Because life in a easy. Don't be as you see and so. You understand? A day amu in Umenwan. Emma Gunamu. Wayawa Wesi. We have the row Wayawa out of every night one waggle. You bought the man Wabia on Mawa. A day of said, I say, you guys should come out in a massive way. You understand? I believe you guys are married me type with me. Why did you do it to you? You understand? I know what you guys can do. Or to what is second now. we go we are bury. Yes now. If you just set, if you just guy, if you just did that bury with now steady. Our we go normal level. And also no soon. Understand? Everything I like bury. So that is it. Most great all of you better.